Staring at that iPhone lock to owner screen can feel like you're holding a high-tech brick. Hey, it's Elliot from McCrunch. You might think a quick restore through your computer is the magic fix, but there's a major catch most tutorials skip. Today I'm showing you exactly how to use your Mac or PC to navigate this process, including the specific steps for the Apple Devices app on Windows. I'll be honest about what a restore can and cannot actually do for your activation lock. I start by explaining when a computer is actually necessary for this fix. Then I walk through the exact restore process for both Mac and PC users. Finally, I show how to handle the setup screen once the restore finishes. I want to help everyone understand these security protocols. Quick legal note before we continue. You must own the device or have permission from the original owner to use these methods. Bypassing security features on stolen property is illegal. These steps are for educational use on your personal hardware. Since you now understand the legal requirements for ownership, you can move forward with a professional solution for your locked hardware. This segment is a paid partnership with Unlocksy. You can find an immediate fix for your iPhone lock to owner screen through this platform. Repair shops and phone resellers use this service to remove iCloud locks from iPhones, iPads, Apple Watches, and Mac computers. You get back full control of your device without any hassle. This method works in any country on every model and operating software version. Pay close attention now if you want to resolve your issue. Take your locked device and press the power button to turn the screen off. Turn it back on and select the eye icon in the bottom right corner to show the IMEI. Note the IMEI or serial number displayed on the screen. Write it down right away because this is a crucial step. Head over to the Unlocksy site to create a new account or login. Open their iCloud Unlock app and pick your specific device type. Enter that IMEI or serial number you just noted. Agree to the terms and click the button to unlock your phone now. Each unlock costs 50 coins and you start with 0. You can avoid purchasing expensive coins by hitting the Join button below this video. Pick the membership tier that includes Unlocksy access. Go to the membership tab on this channel and grab the gift code for 250 coins. This is a guaranteed way to get your credits safely through YouTube and Google Pay. Once you have your coins, submit your order and track the progress on their dashboard. The process is quick and the support team responds fast. Keep your device powered on and connected to Wi-Fi the entire time. When the status shows as finished, press the back button on your device. This forces a connection to the servers to pull the updated activation status. Your phone now lets you proceed. Skip through the setup and set up a new iCloud account immediately. This is a legal and constantly updated service for all models. Click that Join button now to get your voucher code. I find that many people reach for a computer when they forget their passcode or when the device becomes disabled after too many failed attempts. A computer is my primary tool when the iPhone screen is completely unresponsive or stuck in a boot loop. I use a Mac or a PC to force the device into recovery mode, which allows me to wipe the software and start fresh. If I can still interact with the screen and see the activation lock message, I might not actually need a cable at all. I can often resolve this directly on the phone by entering the Apple ID credentials or the device passcode if the option appears. Apple builds these security protocols to protect personal data, so I always keep in mind that a computer cannot bypass the owner's identity. I gather my USB cable and prepare my workstation to begin the software reset. I start by putting my iPhone into recovery mode to prepare for the restore. I hold the side button and a volume button until the power off slider appears. Then I slide it to shut the phone down. I keep the side button pressed while I connect my phone to my computer with a reliable cable. I wait until the recovery mode screen appears on the phone before letting go. On my Mac, I open a Finder window and select the device from the sidebar. If I'm on a PC, I open the Apple Devices app or the latest version of iTunes. I click the Restore button when the prompt appears. This action downloads the latest software and wipes the phone completely. I watch the progress bar carefully to confirm the installation finishes without errors. Once the bar fills, my phone restarts to the beginning of the setup process. I wait for my iPhone to finish the reboot process until the Hello greeting appears in different languages. I swipe up to start the setup and choose my language and region to reach the Wi-Fi connection screen. I connect to my local network and wait for the activation process to communicate with the servers. When the activation lock screen appears, I look for the option to unlock with the device passcode. I enter the numeric code I used on this phone before it was locked to verify my identity. If that option is missing, I type the full Apple ID email and password associated with the account. I find that using the original credentials is the most reliable way to clear the lock permanently. Once I enter the correct details, the phone moves past the security wall and allows me to create a new passcode. I successfully wiped the device using recovery mode and navigated the activation lock screen using the original account credentials. I confirmed that while a computer restore clears a forgotten passcode, the iCloud security layer remains active on the Apple servers. I verified my identity by entering the previous device passcode or the linked Apple ID to fully regain access to the hardware. I found that legitimate results usually require official purchase receipts or specific hardware exploits on older devices. If this guide was helpful, we invite you to like, subscribe, and enable notifications to stay informed on future updates and guides.